So 4 ways to fund, I think I just did 5. 4 ways to fund your adult daycare center. Number 1, it's the best way to fund your adult daycare is OnlyFans. Just kidding. And so number 1 would be friends and family. I know that's a common place to start, but if you have friends or family members that believe in your dream and they want to be a part of it, that might be a good place to at least get started. If you don't have connections financially, or if you're not bankable, meaning that the bank would be willing to give you a loan. Number 2 would be an SBA 7A loan. It's an incredible small business loan that you can actually borrow, I think up to about $5 million. That's the cap on it. And it's one of those rare loans where you only need to put down 10%. If you're not ready to give up equity on day one because you don't know what that business might be worth today, tomorrow, or 5 years from now, you could do something like a convertible note where really maybe it starts out as a form of a debt instrument where they're giving you basically a loan with a principal and interest payment tied to it, but it has the ability to convert at a specified maturity date in the future once that business has been established and maybe there's a better understanding of what the worth of the business is. So at that point, it could convert from a note to equity that is an amount that you both agree on based on what the business is worth in say 2, 3, 4, or 5 years. Number 4, you might have a little money stuffed away in that 401k that you forgot about from your previous employer. But if you have a 401k or retirement account or other accounts that maybe you would put money into, it's a possibility that there's enough money in there to maybe get started for the down payment, say, that might be used with the SBA 7A loan or other alternative options like that. And number 5, you could potentially pull the equity out of your home. You might be sitting on a home that has a ton of equity in it that you don't have any access to that equity, but you could potentially use a product like a home equity line of credit, or you could potentially refinance it. But you would definitely want to check with a loan officer, speak with your financial advisor, maybe your accountant before making any of those decisions. The money you need to start your very own adult daycare center could be sitting in your most valuable asset. Number 6, I don't necessarily recommend this, but I've been there before where I've used 0% interest credit cards, literally, robbing Peter to pay Paul, to start or expand a business when I didn't have the capital to do so. Not my recommendation. Again, speak with your financial advisor, speak with your wife, speak with your husband, speak with all of your confidants and your other advisors. But those are 6 ways that you could potentially fund your dream of opening your very own adult daycare center. If you'd like to learn more about opening up your very own adult daycare center, go visit us online at adcpro.com or check out more videos here on our YouTube channel. We'll see you guys next time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.